Starting in the name of Allah, who gives and forgives. A very good morning, everyone. Gentlemen, esteemed faculty members and fellow students of GHS Jarwa. As we gather today to commemorate the 77th Independence Day of Pakistan, we pay tribute to the visionaries who fought tirelessly for our freedom. We honor the leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who paved the way for the creation of our beloved Pakistan. In the word of Quaid, faith, unity and discipline are the pillars of our nation. Let us strengthen them. As we celebrate this momentous occasion, we remember the countless sacrifices made by our national heroes. We draw inspiration from the word of our national poet, Allama Iqbal. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Elevate your self-respect so high that before every destiny, God asks individual what is your desire. As the future custodians of Pakistan, we must embrace the responsibility of upholding the Quaid legacy. We must reframe our commitment to the principle of unity, faith and discipline. In the word of Nelson Mandela, the greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Let us try to build a Pakistan that is just equitable and prosperous for all. A Pakistan where every citizen has the opportunity to thrive and reach their full potential. As our national poet Faiz Ahmed Faiz so eloquently puts it, नहीं नहीं जुल्म की दहन पर कैद है, नहीं नहीं जुल्म की दहन पर कैद है, नहीं है कोई जंजीर अपने पैरों में. There is no new tyranny on our lips. There is no new tyranny on our lips. There is no chain on our feet. Let us celebrate this Independence Day with pride, hope, and a renewed sense of purpose. May our collective efforts propel our nation to a brighter future, and may we forever remain proud ambassador of Pakistan. Thank you.